Recently, AI Kung Fu videos like this one have been trending and gaining popularity on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. In this video, I'll show you a super easy way to create these awesome AI Kung Fu videos by yourself and make your TikTok channel go viral, increase your views and followers, and qualify for the TikTok Rewards program. If you watch until the end of this video, I'll show you a secret no one will tell you. Although you can create this type of video with your phone, for this tutorial, I will be using a PC. The process is still the same. So, let's get started. You can use your own image with people in it or select images from movies to recreate for fun. For this tutorial, I'll generate an image with AI. I'll generate an image of a beautiful couple who had just wedded. Go to ElevenLabs.com. Sign up for free. Copy this prompt. A newlywed couple standing on a beach at sunset, holding hands and smiling, with ocean waves in the background. Paste the prompt into Picleman AI. Select the Flux model for better image quality. Select the image resolution. For TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, select the 9:16 resolution or 16:9 for long-form YouTube videos. I'll select the 9:16. Click the Generate button, and after some seconds, your image is ready for download. Click to download to your device. In this step, we'll use Hailuo AI to animate the image. Go to Hailuo AI and select the Image to Video feature. Drag and drop the enhanced image from the previous step. Enter your prompt under the image. You can try this prompt like fast action kung fu, fight with high kicks, spinning kicks, rapid punches, acrobatic flips, powerful jumps, defensive blocks, and swift dodges. Click on Generate and wait patiently for the result. Free users will have to wait while pro users can generate in faster time. After that, you'll have these funny AI videos ready. Sometimes you may need to try multiple times for the best results. Click the download button to download the video. Let's look at what we created. To upload the video on TikTok, go to your TikTok app and click on the Upload button. I'll be using my PC to add the viral Kung Fu sound. Click on Add Song, search for DJ MZ Kung Fu. Add a title and viral hashtags, and click Upload. And that's it for today. Here is a secret no one will tell you. You can create a lot of these videos and compile them into one long video for TikTok and YouTube monetization. Let me know in the comments section if you want my prompt.